We got our first breakfast arriver. Which one we got? We got nests across the alley in the back now, too. My camera's dirty. Come here, buddy. The plants. It's my elephant plant. Got some ivy. Got a hostas. We got a lily, some wildflowers, aloe, a whatever that is. It's a spider plant. That's a I don't know what that is. They call him hair plant. It's a corn plant, San Pedro, Christmas cactus, and mother-in-law tongue, and ivies. And this little buddy for breakfast. Say, come for breakfast, huh? Got some peanuts over here for him when he decides that the bird seed isn't what he wants. Here's the magic stuff right here. There's no bird seeds fine for me. Well, I put that one right in the right spot, didn't I? Right him in the head. Says, oh boy, a peanut. What are we gonna do with this? We better take it and run. We'll bury that for later, I guess. Got an old bag, buddy. Yeah, sure spells going. Hope everybody has a great day. Love y'all. I'll maybe make one if more of my squirrels come out. Like 5 of them. Peace.